In classrooms bright and corridors wide, where knowledge flows like an endless tide, stand the shapers of our nation's fate. Our teachers, humble yet so great. Like Chanakya, who molded kings with care, your wisdom guides us everywhere. Dr. Radhakrishnan, a teacher turned president, your legacy of learning, forever resplendent. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man, inspired students across the land. Savitribai Phule, education's guiding star, broke barriers for women near and far. From ancient gurus to modern-day guides, in your footsteps our future resides. You nurture dreams, ignite the mind. In your lessons, life's truths we find. On this day, India stands tall and proud. To honor you, we'll shout out loud, "Thank you, teachers, for all you do. Our nation's strength, it starts with you." So here's to you, the unsung heroes, who turn our doubts into mighty zeros. Your impact stretches beyond any measure, teachers. You're our nation's greatest treasure. What's your favorite memory of a teacher who changed your life?